Today I am going to teach you chapter number 14, World of Praise. And where I am going to teach you in this chapter is appreciation. Children, praise means approval. Approval, if you enthusiastically praise your dog, he likely to wag his tail and accept a treat. He loves you because you are appreciating him. Appreciating means to understand the worth or importance of something or someone. So, here is the chapter. Appreciations refers to a feeling of praise when you are praising something. Feelings come inside from you. Reference or admirations towards something or somebody. Admiration means respects and warm approval. And approval means praise. When you are praising something, someone is respecting you because you are loving him, and that is why you are appreciating that person. It means admitting that somebody else possesses a good quality or has done something which you like a lot. When you are appreciating, when teacher appreciates you because you have done a good work in the class, when you read properly, she appreciates you. When your homework is completed, she appreciates you. When you came first in the class, she appreciates you, and all the students clap on you. So this is that appreciation. In this world, each and every person is special in one or the other aspect. As you all know, that everyone is special. Those who are not good in studies, they may be good in sports. Those who are not good in sports, they may be good in some other world like dancing. Some are good in music, some are good in singing, some are not good in studies. No problem. But if they are good in any other work, we have to appreciate them. If we feel ourselves to be important and valuable, we should also think the same for others. As we are important for our parents, as we are important for that I am the special person who are very good in each and everything, what you are thinking. Like a monitor in the class. Teacher make one person a monitor in the class because he is good in studies, he is good in minding, he is good in reading, he can do all the works. So because he is good, teacher make him a monitor. Now, the student who is very dull in the class and sitting at back, if a teacher make him the monitor, some students are not listening to him. But maybe that person is very good in leadership. Maybe that person is very good in minding the class instead of a person who is good in studies. Maybe one person who is very good in studies, but he is not good in minding the class. The other person who is not good in studies, but he can mind the class because he can make the students quiet in the class. This means that person is, which person is not good in studies is appreciated by the person who is good in studies. Yes ma'am, he can do very well, he can mind the class very well. Means that person is knowing that he is having a quality and other person is also feeling good for him. We should realize that it is mutual dependency that lies at the bottom of all type of relationship. Mutual dependency means persons who are dependent on each other. Like we are dependent on our parents. We are dependent on our mother. My mother knows that when I reach from the home, I need food. She has prepared all the food and keep it on the dining table. Sometimes she make us to eat with our hand also. So this is the mutual dependency. Means when one person knows very well to the other person and other person knows very well that to that person. Means you also know that when I reach home from the school, my mother prepared a food for me because she knows that I am hungry, and your mother also knows that my child is very hungry. So already understood, already you are dependent on that and she is dependent on you. This is the mutual dependency. Okay, sometimes we depend on somebody and sometimes that particular person depend on us, is known as mutual dependency. Apart from being special, by thinking that we are special, every person is unique. Not only special, we all are unique, whether in himself or herself, he, she has his, her own way of thinking which may be quite different from our own way of thinking. Means whatever I am thinking is maybe differ from the other person. If you depend on the other person, like suppose you are dependent on your mother when you are reaching home and you are thinking now my mother will make for me chili paneer, but she is what she make aloo paneer. Then the thinking of your parent is differ. Your mother is differ of you. She is dependent on you. She know that you are hungry. She know that you like aloo paneer, chili potato, and you are thinking that today I am going to eat malai kofta and all the things. She is preparing for you only. She is doing everything for you only. But your thinking to be eating this thing is different, and your parents or your mother thinking that today I am going to make this thing is different. So thinking of each and every person is different. At the same time, your thinking is different and other person thinking is different. Okay, we should learn to appreciate other opinion and never criticize them unnecessarily. So what we have to do, if we reach home and we thinking about eating the malai kofta or something else, and my mother had made something else for me which is also loving food of mine only. So what we do, we have to appreciate our mother, that mummy, I am thinking that today I will eat this, but this is also very nice and you have prepared my favorite thing for me, because it is impossible to make that, but it is good. Means you are appreciating your mother that you have prepared me a lot of things. So not only your mother you have to appreciate, you have to appreciate your friends, you have to appreciate your colleagues which you are studying. You have to appreciate the rickshaw also, that he had come on time and reached you at time to school and back to the home. So this small appreciation make the other person feel happy. Now there is a story of Pankaj's suggestions. There are two friends, Ajay and Pankaj, studying in the same class and in the same school. Obviously, in the same class maybe different school, but he is studying in the same school. Both were fond of playing football and they were good players. Both are good players and they both are playing football. Ajay was better than Pankaj, so he was the captain of the school football team. The person who is coming third or fourth is also good in his studies, and the person or a student who came first is also a good student obviously. So the teacher may monitor those who are coming first in class or second in class. If first person or first student who is coming first in class is absent or sometimes he is not feeling well, then the teacher may who is coming second. But never make the students who are coming third and fourth afterwards. Nowadays we are doing the think that all the class should be become a monitor as well. But moreover, we are doing the things that those who are coming first, second and third, we are making them. So both are the good players. But Ajay, because he is playing much more properly, that is why he is the captain of the team. Once the school team reached the final of the inter-school football competition. Inter-school football competition, in which means 4-5 schools are playing together, is known as inter-school competition. Inter-school means that is like that person is in the inter-class and that is why. No, inter-school means when 2-3 schools are coming to play together is known as inter-school competition. So the final was scheduled to be played in the school playground itself, because their school playground is pretty big. So final play match should be in the school, and their team is selected for the final with the opposite team. The children of the entire school become happy and excited because principal allowed all the students to watch the match. I know that you all are also become happy because you don't have to study at that time when you see small sports are going on in the field and you all are sitting and watching them because you are talking with your friends and you are seeing the match also. So the children of that school is also very much happy because all the school are going to watch the match. At the pre-decided time is the time which is decided earlier for the match. Both the team lines up in the ground. Both the teams are together in the ground. Lined up means arranged in an order. Means both the teams are arranging in the order and standing in front of each other. As you all have seen in the football match on the TV. Both the teams are standing in the front and the ball is in the center of the other team. In this final team meeting at the ground, Ajay told his team when they all are coming together and talking with each other. Ajay, who is the captain of the team, told to his team, "We will adopt a defense strategy like we did it in the previous match." Semi-final match, they have got the same technique they are using. Defense each other, passing the balls, and then Ajay go and put the ball in the goal. I am sure we will win, and I know that we all win the match. The entire team cheered, they all become happy, and very soon the match started. All the children of the school started encouraging the team as we all doing. The favorite player is playing on the ground, we are always calling out that name. If we don't have a favorite player, then we are calling out the team's name. So, because Ajay is the favorite person, he is the captain of the team, so they all started shouting Ajay, Ajay. Now, both the teams were playing very good. Both are there because they also come from the semi-final only, so that team is also very good. Suddenly, the opponent team struck a goal against the school team. Opponent means opposite team plays a goal. Wow! The cheer of the crowd reduced considerably. Now what happened? Slowly, the happiness is decreases because one goal is over, and our school team has not done the goal. Opposite team has done the goal. So what we have? We are not feeling good. Okay, just a few minutes before the half time, the opponent team struck second goal. Now the crowd becomes silent. Pin drop silent is there because 2 goals is done by the opposite team. Okay, in the half time, Ajay was looking quite worried. Now half time is come up. Ajay is sitting and feeling worried and cursing the team once that what you all are doing. He started criticizing the player for poor defense. Always the captain did the same thing. Criticizing means indicating the fault of the, yes, he is totally saying that the fault is of the team members because they are not defending properly, they are not holding the players properly and sending the ball to me. At the same time, Pankaj walked to him. Pankaj come to Ajay and said, Ajay, we need to change our strategy. What is our plan? We have to change it. We should play offense. Now, what we have to do? We have to play the offense. Offense means attacking one, actively aggressive. Means they did not understand that they can place the ball from their foot. Okay, moreover, 4 players of the opponent teams are always taking you. He, Pankaj said to Ajay, that 4 players are always covering you. Opponent team is opposite team is always covering you, and as you are going through the ball, they are taking off the ball from you. So now we have to change this strategy, and now we have to do the different thing. I know you are the best player, and because they are surrounding you, because you are the best player, and do not try to tackle them. Tackle means make determined efforts to deal with. Now we don't have to do anything with them. We don't want to change anything with them. Pass the ball frequently. Just we have to pass the ball very fastly. Saying this, he suggested a plan of attack to Ajay. Attract to Ajay. Though Ajay was reluctant means unwillingly, hesitatingly, but that plan will work or not work. Okay, it's okay. Let's go with this plan also, because that is not working. So let's go with this plan. Only no problem. He agreed with Pankaj. After the half time, now lunch time is over. Second time is started for the game. The school team started playing offense, as the Pankaj told to play the offense, and fast. Offense means I told aggressively and actively aggressive and attacking and fast. Soon it got a penalty kick in which Ajay scored a goal. Ajay kicked a goal, penalty will give. It's okay. Now he done a goal. One goal for our school team. Wow! After nearly 10 minutes, Ajay gave an extraordinary long pass. Extraordinary long pass means a pass from very far from each other to Pankaj. Pankaj is very far from Ajay, but he has passed that ball to Pankaj, and Pankaj turned it into a goal. Now this is the second goal. The crowd became jubilant again. Jubilant again means feeling or expressing great happiness. Wow, this is the second goal. We have done it within the 10 minutes. Just 2 minutes before the end. Now the game is going to be end. Only 2 minutes are left. What to do? Both teams are on the equal side. 2 goal of that team and 2 goal of our team. What to do? The end. Pankaj advanced with the ball with many more checkers around him. What he found? That when Pankaj are running with the ball, so many persons or things which are around us, the opponent team, opposite team, when they saw that Pankaj has done the goal, they sent the players to Pankaj also to cover them, to don't that they did not pass the ball to Ajay or any other person. He demolished the opponent defense. Demolish means pull or knock down the opponent, opposite persons to score a winning goal. And lastly, he done a goal. Now, Pankaj team, Ajay team had done a 3 goal, and the opposite team had done a 2 goal. So, who is the winner? Ajay and Pankaj team. After the match, the student of the school started rejoicing. Wow, we have won the game. While receiving the trophy, Ajay said, "Friends, we all should appreciate Pankaj." See what the Ajay did. This is the main point. Ajay not taken all the things to himself. He is the captain. He can take. He said, "Ye mera plan tha. Now this is my plan, and I have to be so much proud to be." He is not proud at all. He said that all the plan is of Pankaj. So what we have to do? We have to appreciate Pankaj. It was his idea and plan that made us win. He clapped in honor of Pankaj and patted his back. Patted his back means he has given a hand on his back. The entire team lifted Pankaj. Pankaj was now become a hero. He had all the team had lifted Pankaj up, and crowd started shouting, "Pankaj, Pankaj." This is the main thing. Pankaj also feel good. The team also feel good, and because Pankaj has made a plan, so we have to appreciate Pankaj also. This is the best thing. So what we have to learn from a lesson? We have learned from a lesson that appreciation is the best thing which we have to do. Whether he is a person or a animal or a small worker. So we have to appreciate them. Feeling, appreciation feeling is to be admiration. Admiration means respect and warm approval. We have to praise them who has done something good. Thank you, students.